being greeted with a smile and a plate of hot food. Every day, Sarah Lebovitz looks forward to this moment. She's 93 and a Holocaust survivor.
Thanks to the NGO Yad Ezer, I have a roof over my head. I eat, I have clothes, and everything that I need.
In the Israeli port city of Haifa, an NGO has been providing assistance to Holocaust survivors for over 2 decades, giving out food and other essentials. Now, amid the pandemic, their work has become even more crucial. The Yad Ezer Foundation has set up a round-the-clock helpline, making daily calls to some 3,500 people.
We ask them how they're doing, if they need food or medical equipment. We provide cooked meals and ambulances for those who need to get vaccinated.
The phone calls can also bring comfort. The fear of death and of lacking basic goods to survive can trigger painful memories of the war. Holocaust survivors are particularly vulnerable to the coronavirus, which has claimed the lives of 900 of them in Israel. More than 5,000 have tested positive for the virus. Back in March of last year, an 88-year-old Holocaust survivor became the first person to die of COVID-19 in Israel. A grim symbol and a reminder that those who experience the unthinkable will soon no longer be able to tell their stories.